Good morning, student. Today I am going to start approximations. See this diagram. This is one curve, and at this point, the distance is x. So this distance is f of x. Similarly, if there is change in x, that is delta x. So this point, this distance, this height AC becomes f of x plus delta x. So due to change in x, that is delta x, what is the change in delta y? AB. AB is the change. So we are going to find AB. Therefore, AB equal to what? AB equal to, we can write here, AC minus BC. AC minus B. AB equal to delta Y equal to AC. See this AC height. This height is, you can see, this is, what is this? This is f of x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x minus BC. This height is f of x. It is f of x. Therefore, f of x plus delta x is equal to delta y plus f of x. This is our main formula which we are going to use. So everywhere this is the main formula. X plus delta x. We have to just find delta y and f of x. This f of x plus delta x is the given value. For example, if we have to find under root 24. First of all, understand why this approximation is used here. See, if we have to find under root 25, easily we can find. But if we have to find under root 24, it is very difficult. That is why we are going to use here approximation using differential. So here under root 24 we cannot find, but using differential we can find. Let us see how. We have to find such a value, we have to look for such a value which is nearest to 24 and having perfect square. That is 25 only. So we will write it. This value, this given value is f of x plus delta x. This is x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x. So same thing we have to write in the form of this delta y. Now we will convert this into one function, that is x, that is y equal to under root x. This is the given function. So from here we will find delta y and f of x. This is f of x. This is only f of x. Now one more thing. See, dy by dx approximately delta y by delta x. So from here again we'll get the value of delta y. Delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. This is the second formula we are going to use. Only these two formula we are going to. Just our focus should be to find delta y and f of x. In the same question you can see how we under 24 what is delta x say? Here where x equal to 25, x equal to 25, but the given is 24, so x value decreases, that is delta x is minus, therefore delta x is minus 1. Now to find dy by dx we have to find delta y we have to find. To find delta y we have to find dy by dx. What is y? Y equal to root x. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 1 by 2 root x. See here, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 root x, and x is 25, so it becomes 1 by 25 here, equal to 1 by, or x is 25, so it becomes 5 here, so it is 10, 1 by 10. Dy by dx is 1 by 10, and delta x is here minus 1. Therefore substitute all the value in this formula, we will get delta y is equal to 1 by 10 into 1, it is equal to minus 1 by 10, and it is equal to nothing but minus 0.1. So delta y value we got, and finally we have to substitute this delta y value here. Now we got the delta y value. Now f of x value we have to find. F of x value, x we know, x is 25, so f of x is what? F of x is 5 only. Therefore f of 24 is equal to delta y plus f of x. See here, f of 24 is equal to delta y plus f of x. So here we got delta y value is minus 0.1 plus f of x. F of x means just the function which we have assumed. We have assumed y equal to under root x, and x value is 25. So under root 25 is 5. So it is 5. So 5 minus 0.1 equal to what we will get? We will get here 4.9. 4.9. So 4.9 is the approximate value for approximate value for under root 24. Similarly, next question we will see here. This question I have taken from textbook, NCERT textbook, from example. Under root 36.6. Okay, so what is this 36.6? Under root 36.6 is nothing but this is the only given x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x is equal to under root 36.6. So again we have to look here for some perfect value nearest to 36.6 having perfect root. That is nothing but this, clearly we can understand it is 36 only. So we have to let x equal to 36. First we have to find the function. First we have to assume a function. Which is the appropriate function? That is y equal to under root x only. But here we will take x equal to 36 only. X equal to 36 we have taken here. So now f of x plus delta x is equal to, we have to write delta y plus f of x. Delta y plus f of x. Here given value is 36.6 and x value we have taken 36. So there is increment in x, that is 36.6. So what is delta x? So delta x, how much is the increment? 0.6. 0.6 is the increment delta x. Now find delta y. So delta y is equal to dy by dx. Delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. So what is dy by dx? Again 1 upon root x into delta x, that is 0.6, equal to 1 by 2 root x. Root x, x is 36. So under root 36 is 6. 6 into 2 equal to, here it is 12 into 0.6. Again it will get here 6 by 12. So it is 1 by 20. So we see here, we got 1 by 20, nothing but 0.05. 0.05. Okay, 0.05 we got here. Okay, delta y value we got. Now f of x is equal to what? F of x is nothing but under root x, and x is 36. So x is equal to 6 only. Therefore we substitute all this in this formula, that is, therefore f of 36.6 is equal to nothing but delta y plus f of x. So delta y value we got 0. Delta y value we got 0.05 plus f of x is 0. Sorry, f of x is 6 only. Therefore it is 6.05. 6.05 is the approximate value. See this question. F of x plus delta x here is given 20 whole to the power 1 by 3. That is nothing but it is cube root of 25. So cube root of 25 is difficult to find. So again we have to look. So function is y equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Y equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Now which value x we will take? We will take x equal to 27, because 27 have cube root. So x equal to 27 will take. Now just we will find d of x, dy by dx. Y equal to this, and this is only f of x. So dy by dx equal to what? With the formula of differential, that is nx. N is 1 by 3, x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. So it is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to nothing but minus 2 by 3. It is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3. See here. So this is equal to 3. So what is the x value we have assumed? X value we have assumed 27. So we will write into x equal to 27. 27 we can write 3 to the power 3, and again whole to the power 2 by 3. So here we will see this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled out. So remaining with 3 to the power 2, that is 9. So 1 by 3 into 9, that is 1 by 27. So we got the value dy by dx. Now we have to find delta x. Okay. So delta x equal to what? We can see here. X plus delta x is 25 to the power 1 by 3. ये है, और x हमने लिया क्या है? x इक्वल टू 27 लिया है, मतलब हम x ज़्यादा था पहले, अभी कम हो गया तो नेगेटिव में आएगा. So that is delta x equal to -2. Delta x equal to -2. Therefore, here you will find delta y. See, delta x equal to -2. Now delta y we have to find. Delta y find करना तो फॉर्मूला लगाना है हमें. कौन सा फॉर्मूला? dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx we found there, that is 1 by 25, and delta x is 1 by 27. 1 by 27 into -2 equal to minus by 27, and f of x we have to find. So f of x is what? F of x is under root x, and x is f of x is cube root of x, and x value is 27. That is, this is root of x. So equal to, here x value is 27. So cube root of 27, we know it is 3 only. It is 3. So just we have to substitute in the formula. Therefore we will get f of x plus delta x is equal to 25, cube root of 25 is equal to delta y plus f of x. So delta y value we got here -2 by 27, -2 by 27, and f of x value is 3. So if you simplify this, we'll get less than 3. That is, approximately it will come 2.9, approximately 2.9 we are going to get. Okay, so this is the way we have to solve all these questions. We have to only focus on delta x and delta y. So in finding delta x, we can see somewhere we have to take negative, somewhere we have to take positive. So let us see some why we have taken negative. If the that is the exact value we are looking for, here the given is 25, given is 25, we are taking 27, x is 27, दिया हुआ से what is given? Given is 25, but we are taking 27. We have to see for x. So 27 से दिया हुआ फंक्शन क्या है? कम है. कम है तो नेगेटिव लेना है. ठीक है, हम जो x का वैल्यू ले रहे हैं, अगर दिया हुआ जो वैल्यू है वो कम है तो नेगेटिव लेना है. सी इन दिस क्वेश्चन, एक्स वैल्यू 27 लिया हमने, लेकिन दिया हुआ 25 था तो नेगेटिव लिया. कितना नेगेटिव? जितना कम है. सो दैट इज वाई वी हैव टेकन हियर डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल टू -2. एक्स वैल्यू वी हैव टेकन 36, बट द गिवन इज 36.6. दिया हुआ ज़्यादा है, ज़्यादा इसलिए डेल्टा एक्स हमने पॉजिटिव में लिया 0.6 से. One more question we had solved. See here, x value is 25 we have taken, लेकिन दिया हुआ क्या था? 24. कम है. कितना कम है? 1. That is why delta x we have taken -1 here. Please watch this video, and I hope you will understand better. After understanding, solve the example first, and then only go to exercise. So please complete this exercise within 2 days so that I can move to another exercise. Thank you very much. If any doubt is there, please comment.